I got that California.
Hello everyone, KTG5 Gamer here. Today I am going to be installing an SSD into this Dell laptop. Now, we are going to be using some stuff for the installation of the SSD. We have the Dell drivers installed on here, so I'm not going to have to do any OS install. But we're going to be taking apart this thing, and we're going to be putting in, well, the Samsung SSD. There we go. We have 250 gigabytes on this. So this thing is still loading up. Hopefully the SSD will be a lot more faster, since this is taking a long time. But it's going to take about like 12 hours to boot, and if we try to install this again on this hard drive that is installed on the Dell laptop, it will take about 2,000 years for that to be done. Okay, so as you can see, it's fully working. We got the mouse, we got everything is set up. So that took about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So the SSD is going to be a lot more faster than that. So we're going to shut down the computer. And now we are going to be going to installing SSD. So let's move on, and let's flip over the laptop, close it, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so now we are going to take apart this case here. And I have tons of tools that we could use that are going to be featured in this video to make this possible. So, first things first, we're going to take off these screws here. And then there's one there, one there, one there, and one there. So, I'm going to turn this thing around. And then we're going to screw these ones off. This is so much. I'm now using a spudger, which is this thing, which has that there, and then this little pointy thing here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into here, and we are going to try to make it so then the case will get off. when you hear the pop sound and you twist it over to the side, that means you're unlocking the locks. See, we're almost there, and I'll show you guys some of the stuff that's inside of it to make you guys sure that this is all safe and I know what I'm doing. So stand by. Okay, so here we are. So let me show you guys where are the parts. So we took it from here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's a hook here, 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 there, and there, 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 and there, and yeah. So now I have the case off. Now let's look inside. So here's where our hard drive is, and it looks like it's gonna be aqua. The color's gonna be aqua, and it's covered by this area here. This is the battery. It's very huge, but not as huge as the new Razer laptop, which it doesn't have the trackpad here, but it has it over on the side here. This is the fan. And then we have some other stuff. I know there's going to be RAM somewhere in here. Where's the RAM? Where is it? So, anyway, here we have some more screws. Let's get my screwdriver. And there's one here, here, here. And I think that is it. So here, here, and then here.
So we'll mark those, right?
Yeah. So go ahead and do that. So we're going to get this one out first. And then if it doesn't come out all the way.
Put it right here.
Okay. So there. Oh, they're little tiny. So I believe that these screws are covering up, which is the little case, the little blanket for the hard drive, so it doesn't get that much hot. I suppose so. Okay, so once you have got the screws off the hard drive, you could just take the hard drive off, but then we could see there's a connector here. Now, make sure you do not break the connector. You can, I believe you could buy some off of Amazon or other places that have broken laptops like these. This computer sometimes would crash on me because maybe space, but so now we're gonna do that, and there we go. It should take off, and we have the little case that is covering it. So let's see what this is. One. Wait, is that correct?
It's a Seagate, 1 terabyte. Yes.
It's 1 terabyte, and this one has less space than it.
But you weren't using that much space on the.
Right. So this is a 1 terabyte drive, so I might use this for other stuff. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna do is there is 1, 2, and on the other side 1, 2. Two screws on the left side on the hard drive, and then on the right side as well. So we're going to be screwing out those, and then we're going to be putting on the case that's going to be used for our SSD that is from this hard drive here onto the SSD. So we got the first one. Ooh, look, it's blue. It has a little bit some blue on it. So that's cool. That's nice. So I'm gonna put it like that. And then You could choose from any sides that you want to work on. But I prefer to just do it random because I have no idea which side I started on and other stuff. So we're almost there. It's just that it's gonna take a little bit more seconds since this is very hard to do. So we got this side here. See, 1, 2. Now there's just one more, which is right here. So there we go. Now we have it. So then, how are we supposed to do this? Aha! So then you just pull it out from one of the sides, and then, there we go. So here's the hard drive. We have most of the stuff here. Metal, and then this is all the code, and this is blue. So now, we can put the hard drive right there. Then, we are going to use the same screws, and then we're going to re-screw them onto this. So, it's going to be just like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, I'm going to grab one screw, and we are going to put it on the screwdriver. And then steady, steady. Oh. And now we are just going to do the same thing, all the steps to be doing that. Okay, so I might have messed up, I might have not, but we're gonna still boot up. So let's try. Turn it on. Hopefully nothing got damaged. Hey! That's good. Oh. Oh, it's booting faster. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It took it about, I don't know, 20 seconds to boot up? Man, that is way faster. Last time, this hard drive took about 1 minute and 20 seconds to boot. Yeah. So, everything's installed on here. We got everything. So, yeah. It works. It's perfect. So, touch screen works. And, is there anything else? No, because we're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. So, bye.